Let's go. We got a video. This video is about Anduril's Industry EagleEye system. It's an AI powered superhuman helmet for our soldiers. It's fantastic. It's incredible. If you remember Call of Duty or you play Call of Duty, you got to check out this video. Let's go. Let's lock in. Let's lock in.
Weather's coming in heavy. What's the plan?
Mortars will strike the coastline at 3 points. At the same time, to the south, we'll send up ghosts and provide surveillance on the enemy command station.
And as we know, terrain is tough on this one and the rain isn't helping. Once out of the highlands, we'll rally the platoons in the valley floor by the river.
We just got new intel. The river's flooding has gotten worse. What about the ridgeline option?
Understood. Alright, we'll rally at the high point. Alpha, Bravo. RP received and marked. I'm Oscar.
Now, don't that look like a video game? Don't that look like a video game? That's the EagleEye helmet. It literally can be able to track. You can have the AI in there help you determine who to kill, who not to kill. It help you complete your mission. It's insane. Let's get back to this video. Yo, that's crazy. It can tell you before you even get there or see it that something is approaching, what you want to do. And you can be able to, I don't know, signal a drone or defeat it with yourself by giving instructions, or it give you advice on what you should do. That's insane. This technology is crazy. No wonder why it's called EagleEye. This will literally keep our sons and daughters, our brothers and sisters safe, a lot more safe than if you wasn't using it. I mean, it make you a superhuman. It make you a superhero. You already a hero because you're serving, but it gives you this power to be able to see in the front of you, in the back of you, if a threat is approaching. This thing is crazy.
Bravo, split. Alpha set. 1 Tango West container in the open. Bravo, move out and engage.
I kind of like how the video game where you can see the red over the enemy, and when it's your people, your soldiers, you don't do any friendly fire because you don't have that red. So if you are going to training, all you got to do is understand what the helmet, what the AI, what the EagleEye is telling you what to do, and then pretty much follow it. Obviously, you're a human, so you can make sure that it's giving you the right advice. But it's pretty dope. Guys, what do you think about it? What you guys think about it? I know it's war, but I know a lot of people got families in the military. We all got family in the military, and we want them to be as safe as possible. So when they come home, we be all running to them and being excited. When you want our soldiers, our family, to have some type of device like this, I'm not sure of all the development yet. I know that they're working on keep advancing this technology, but if it's the way this video is letting us know, I will want my family members to have it, because at least they don't have to just worry about our limited human limited, you know, line of sight, our intelligence. It can be able to help us or help them know what's in front of them and back of them, what threat is coming. I mean, that's pretty dope. We literally saving lives without us knowing that we saving lives. We saving lives because, shoot, if somebody in back is trying to sneak up on us, we already know it in way in advance. They can be hiding down low, not knowing that EagleEye is giving us that signal and stuff like that. We can be able to think on our feet and make smart moves. And EagleEye might say, "Yo, go behind here. It's a little cut in here where you can be able to, get them from there, so you can be able to go back home to your family." Now, if they didn't have it, we probably wouldn't ever know, and we lost a soldier. So for me, I feel like this is pretty cool. I feel like I love it. I love the name EagleEye. I mean, I've seen a movie like that, but I love this. I love the name EagleEye. It's pretty cool. And I've seen a couple military texts that's coming out, from EagleEye to the other one with XBAT. It's a lot of stuff that's coming out, and it's exciting. And one of the best reasons why it is exciting is because at the end of the day, human lives will be going back to their families. All right, until next time.